friends, in this tutorial we discuss about shadow tab. So you can get it from default tray or you can choose Windows default tray, the shadow. Okay. So now I open shadow. So here there is a box symbol. This is show or hide shadows. So now I click this show. Again I click this hide. Okay. Basically shadow settings while creating a model is not recommended. So after finishing a model, final rendering, that time only shadow is good. So I turn on shadows. Here is the box. This is time zone. So you can click various time zones from various locations. Okay. The next tab, time. So here's various times, morning to evening. So you can change it shadows based on your time zone. Okay. And date. So this is a quick way to set the shadows, date and time. So you can change it like this. And the next option, light and dark. So you can see if I change to the light, it's different modulations. The shadows are literally reduced and now increasing. Okay. And the dark portion you can change like this. It's look like night time. So full dark light and it's completely shadow erase. Okay. You can change it based on your way of style. Okay. And the next option, use sun for shading. So you can turn off shadows and use sun for shading. So this is a sunshade light effect. So before that you can see here is a light shadow, and so this is sunshade light settings. Okay. If it is turn on, it's normal SketchUp light setting. Okay. So now I turn on shadow. Here is the 3 more options. So display options. Okay. So first option, on faces. If I turn off, the shadow on faces is automatically turned off. So only shadow the ground surface. Okay. So I turn on. So all shadow faces came back. The next one, on ground. So here you can see. So this is a flat ground level. Okay. So here you can see this is a after ground shadows. So now I can turn off. So here shadows erase it. So only shadow on the ground surface. Okay. And the third one, from edges. So this is a edge like a figure. Okay. So if I turn off, the edge not make shadow. So if I turn on again, it's make shadows. These are the small discussion about shadow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.